I finally gone ahead and got my tool drawer from my parents' house. I brought it over this morning. Before I can take full advantage of it, however, I have to hang up the UPS that I use for my 3D printer. If you don't have a UPS for your 3D printer, anytime there's a power surge, it's very likely the printer will blow something. Mine actually blew a board because of that one time, and it was an $80 board. So if you don't want to spend $80 every time there's a power surge, the UPS is a quick way to solve that problem. So I'm going to mount that UPS directly above the outlet, and then I'm going to set up my computer and my 3D printer. So I've got the UPS here. Now it actually uses 3 mounting bolts. The easiest way to go ahead and figure out how to space the bolts is to take something like a caliper, right, and just space it out so it's more or less where I want. Right, like about the centers of these. You get that much done. Now you can use the caliper to mark the wall the exact distance that you need. With that done, there's a couple things I want to do. One is to see if there's a stud there on that wall that I can leverage for one screw, because I'm out of the wall anchors except for one. So I'm going to use one in a stud and one in an anchor. And actually 2 in a stud, right, because it has 3 mounting bolts. So I'll use the other lower mounting bolt will also go into the stud. So let's use my stud finder for that. And it's got to be on either side of that electrical box you see right there. These are some pretty neat wall anchors. You beat them into the wall, and then when you put the screw through it, it expands, it locks in, it goes a full 90 degrees. Alright, so I tried putting in these screws, but they're way too short. I need to put some longer ones in here. Just barely grab the stud. The stud here is pretty deep for whatever reason. So I'm going to try with these slightly longer screws I found, and if these don't work, then 3-inch screws it is. Perfect. 2 in the stud, 1 in the anchor. That's going to be exactly what I need it to be. Very quickly wipe down the garage wall just to get the dust off of it. The damp cloth. Now I can mount my UPS. There we go. Perfect. Got some dust on it. Pull that away from my wall, shall we? Put this guy in right here. Then we can put the 3D printer and the computer connected to that. Alright, my UPS is in place. I'm going to move my tool drawer back to where it was. All the tool drawers in, everything's looking pretty nice. Can't wait to get my 3D printer going. I've actually got to mount a rail above it because I've modified my 3D printer slightly so that I can use external filament rolls and not internal. But I did have a rack above it at my parents' house where I would hang the filament from. I don't have that here, so I've got to set one up.